Srimati Dr. Kirli Kruparani, Minister for IT, Government of India, my senior cabinet colleagues, Mr. Ponna Lakshmaya and Dr. Raghuveer, the Secretary J. Satyanarayana, Mr. Samuel, Dr. Narayana, Mr. Sanjay Jaju, Ravi Gupta, and all people from IT industry who have come here for a 2-day conference. There is a proverb which says, lack of money is not a problem. Lack of idea is a problem. That's how Mi Seva actually started. The common man, how do we use technology for the common man? How is it going to be beneficial to the poor, to the people who are not fortunate enough to study, who are illiterate? How do you use technology for their benefit? That is what this idea of Mi Seva has come through. But I think most of you here are my age, or a little elder to me, or a little younger to me. So where did we all start? We saw an age where there was hardly any electricity in the rural areas, hardly any telecommunication. I don't know if our children or younger generation know what a trunk call is, what an urgent call is, what an emergency call is, or what a lightning call is. These were the names for trunk calls to be booked to talk to other cities or countries. And many a times, it took days for these connections to come through. And where are we now? I think about 93 crore cell phones in the country, with a population of 121 crores or 22 crores of population. And cell phone has reached most of the rural areas. Cell phone, with all its advantages, with all its facilities, has reached the rural areas. That is what is helping us. TVs, when we were young, there were no TVs. TV has come into Hyderabad in '83. I was a good cricket player. Now, I'm not trying to say I was a good cricket player. I'm just trying to tell you, when I was young, I have never seen a cricket match on a TV till the late '80s. First time I saw a TV in cricket is something in '77 or '78 in Australia, when I had gone there for a tour. Today, TV has got such a change in the rural areas. You go to any rural area, they will talk of how Dhoni bats, or how Tendulkar bats, or how Srinath used to bowl. That is the effect of visual media. These things have changed the world. And technology, for the sake of technology, is not what we are looking at. Technology, when it is useful for the common man, for the benefit of the Aam Aadmi, and when it becomes cheaper, that is when technology is going to sell. That is what technology is required. Technology without affordability is of no use. If the common citizen cannot afford the technology, it's of no use. unless it comes within the reach of the common man. That is what competition has brought in. Imagine our telephone services when private competition was not there. Imagine our Indian Airlines when private airlines were not there. We had to have so many problems in having a phone or having a ticket. There were many days when we had to go to Delhi. We had to go to Bombay and from there go to Delhi because there was no direct ticket from Hyderabad to Delhi. Today, I think it has come within the reach of first class. First class in train is, I think, costlier than the airfare. That is what is required. I think here I am addressing an elite crowd who are in the business of IT. We make use of technology in nearly all our government programs. This is one of the premier states where we are giving about 26,000 crores as subsidies to the common people. I can challenge you. There is no state in this country where so many subsidies are being given to the common man. But are we reaching the targeted group? Is it reaching the persons who deserve this subsidy? That is the point we are trying to do. Getting in transparency into the system, trying to reach out to the poorest of the poor, trying to reach out to the targeted group is what we are trying. We distribute rice of 1 rupee a kg to about 7.5 crore people. We have got I give about 25 lakh scholarships for education in this state to the tune of 4,000 crores. I have got Mahatma Gandhi, NREGS. I think 1 crore of bank accounts are there and 1 crore of people nearly work in NREGS, which is online. The payment is online. I have got about 1.1 crore 46 lakh women members with about 14 lakh groups with online bank connectivity, where we have got about 1 crore and 5 lakhs farmers who have got bank accounts. All this is online, and we are trying to see these subsidies reaches the targeted group. That is what in government we are trying to do. We are giving the women interest-free loans. That is, they borrow for 13 or 14% from the bank. And on correct payment, the interest is borne by the state government and given back to these groups. All this is online. The interest subsidy is about 14 to 1,500 crores this year. For women groups, they have got about 15,000 crores. They have borrowed about 15,000 crores from the banks without surety or security. We give about 52,000 crores, I think, for farmers. Crop loans, 52,000. About 42,000 is crop loans and the remaining is term loans. We are giving interest-free loans till 1 lakh of rupees to the farmers. And we are trying to do only principal they have to pay. We give back the interest through the online procedure. When we started off this Mi Seva, it was in conversation in my office when Mr. J. Satyanarayana was Principal Secretary, Special Chief Secretary in my office, heading my office. He is one of the computer-savvy person, unlike me and Mr. Raghuvara Reddy. So it was an idea given to them to develop. They said, we will give this